Hey there friends, thanks for checking in. Today we're looking at the Sig Sauer P238. Check out this trigger. Single action trigger pull and the reset is very short. 1911-like features with G10 grips, extended beaver tail, and Sig-Lite night sights. Very slim profile. It's also very light, weighing in at just under 17 ounces. Fully loaded, nice looking gun as well. I know a lot of guys pocket carry these. They love them, and they love that trigger pull once again. So we're going to head out to the range, check it out, and you can see how accurate it is and how reliable it performed for me. Let's take a look. Let's go from left to right with the small 7-inch target. Nice. 7-inch. Man, right around $600 will get you the P238. They have a lot of models to choose from. This one's pretty sweet, but I like some of the other models as well. All right, here we are 15 yards away, 7 rounds. Let's go. Yeah, this gun's dead nuts, and it feeds really nice. You know, I recently reviewed the Springfield 911. I had some feeding issues, and you know, I don't know if that required a break-in period. Most likely so, but this gun is not having any feeding issues at all. No accuracy issues, extremely accurate, 15 yards, no problem with those targets, and it just has a nice feel to it. You know, it's not too heavy, you know, right around 16 to 18 ounces, but it feels good. And I know a lot of people carry this gun. I know a lot of people respect this gun quite a bit. I get a lot of positive comments when I feature the P238. Double taps on the tombstone. Here we are 20 yards away. Let's see if we can hit the tombstone from this distance. I've got 5 rounds loaded up. So there it is, guys. Sig P238. Nice little handgun. Yeah, it's a little bit on the pricey side, no question about that. Looking at 600 or more depending on which model you go with, but I like this one. They all have the same awesome trigger, and I think this actually looks pretty cool with those G10 grips. But very happy with the way it shot at the range, and it was reliable, and I hope I demonstrated that it was pretty accurate. If you like videos like this, please subscribe and share. I always appreciate the thumbs up button. Thanks for watching, and you guys be safe.